Hi guys, we received this bread slicer for reviewing purposes. It comes with the instructions to assemble it, and I think that it's great. It also comes with a non-slip mat to place the bread cutter on. Then nicely packed we have the bread slicer. It comes really well compact as we need to unfold it and set it up. We also got a divider to use depending with the length of our bread. So we'll test it out. First, we're gonna adjust the weight of the bread that we're gonna slice with these screws, which can be adjusted between 5.5 inches and 8.3 inches, which I think that it's really nice. As you can see, and just pull it out to your desired length, making sure that we also secure the screws and place the proper divider to the desired length of our bread, which I think that it's really great that you can also adjust it. And as you can see, this is how it looks all assembled up, okay? To test it out, I'm gonna use a donut that I have already in here, and we're gonna place it with the divider and make the cuts that we want. And I think that it's really nice to use with homemade bread or even store-bought, but we can select the thickness of our loaf, and I think that's really nice having that option to select it. Depending of how we want, we can cut different slices of different thickness, and I think that it's really nice because using this divider we can get the same thickness on every cut that we're gonna make, which I think that it's really nice. And as you can see, it's really simple and easy to use, which I think that it's really nice that we will have the bread all sliced up however we want it. And overall, I think that it's really great, really easy to use, perfect attachment to have on your kitchen, and overall I like a lot, and I will really recommend that. See you guys.